How to change your default apps to different apps in your Android phone. Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your default apps by using other apps that you have installed and you prefer for your Android phone. To do this, all you need to do is settings and go to apps. Here select default apps and here you have your standards, browser, digital assistant, home, etc. If you want to change more, select more. And here you can change, for example, your music. You can select Gmail to change it, and changing the default email app may consume more battery power. Change it. For music, I don't have another music player installed, so it's YouTube Music. For video, it's the same, but you can install all kinds of different applications and just have these changed so that you use them automatically. When you open a certain file, it will open them automatically. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.